Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less Wi-Fi data. First, it's crucial to understand where your data goes. Take a moment to check your device's settings to see which apps are the biggest data hogs. Many devices offer a detailed breakdown, showing you exactly how much data each application uses. Once you pinpoint these data-hungry culprits, you can start making informed decisions about adjusting their settings. This initial step is fundamental to gaining control over your Wi-Fi consumption and saving potentially hundreds of megabytes each month. Many popular applications, like social media platforms and streaming services, include built-in data saver modes. Activating these can significantly cut down on your usage without drastically impacting your experience. For instance, in messaging apps, turn off automatic downloads for photos and videos. You can always choose to download them manually. When streaming videos, opt for standard definition. While high definition looks great, it can consume 3 to 4 times more data, so choosing standard definition is a smart move for conserving your Wi-Fi. Beyond individual apps, your web browser and device's operating system offer powerful data-saving tools. Many browsers have a data compression feature that can reduce the size of web pages before they reach your device, saving you valuable data. Also, disable automatic app updates and background app refresh in your device settings. These processes can silently consume significant data. Furthermore, consider limiting location services and push notifications for apps that don't require constant updates, as these two contribute to your overall data usage. Adopting smart habits is key to long-term data saving. Whenever possible, download movies, music, and podcasts over a stable Wi-Fi connection for offline enjoyment. This prevents you from using mobile data later. Make it a routine to check your data usage statistics in your device settings. This awareness helps you stay on track. Finally, always prioritize connecting to secure and trusted Wi-Fi networks when they are available, especially for data-intensive tasks. These simple habits, combined with the previous tips, will help you effectively manage your Wi-Fi data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.